Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. And today we're looking at how you calculate the dividend yield on a share, or for those of you who prefer the term, a stock. Right, so this is a bit of a mobile feast. What happens is that as the value, the price, shall we say, of the share alters, so does the yield. So let's start with the idea that we have a dividend per share, DPS, of, we'll say 5 cents a share. And the price of our stock today, the price of the share is $2.50. Now, what we do is we divide this into this to get the yield, and we get the yield eventually as a percentage. So it's up to you how you do this. You can convert this to dollars or this to cents. It's easier to convert this to cents. So we have 5 divided by 250. Now, that's the sort of thing that can break down very easily as a fraction. What we get is we get a decimal 0.02. This equals 0.02. Now, that doesn't really help us very much. So we need to convert that to a percentage, and we do that simply by doing the following. And that gives us 2%. So the yield on this share at today's price, $2.50, is 2%. What happens if this price rises miraculously and tomorrow it is $3? Well, we perform the same calculation. 5 cents over 300 cents, and obviously we get something different. We get 0.0167, we'll say. It's actually an endless non-recurring decimal. We multiply that by 100, and we get 1.67%. So what you can see is that as the amount of dividend that is paid out remains the same, but the share price fluctuates, the amount of the yield either goes down as the value of the stock goes up, or it rises if the value of the stock has a lower value. Now, fair warning, dividends per share can change from year to year and period to period. So it's a constantly, it's a sort of a constantly evolving process. But the simple equation is dividend in cents or dollars divided by the current price of the stock or share in cents or dollars. So these must both be in either cents or dollars, times 100. And that gives you the percentage yield on this. And this allows you to compare, say, with a term deposit or something like that. There are other factors to weigh into this, such as the risk of the share price moving up or down versus the greater certainty of a term deposit. But anyway, that's a tale for another day. This is how you work out the dividend yield on a share or a stock. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.